The first question is, what is the most important crop in China? The correct answer is B, rice. Question 2. Feta cheese, basil, grape leaves, olives, and figs are traditional food used in what type of cooking? The correct answer is A, Greek. Question 3. Orange juice is a good source of which vitamin? The correct answer is B, vitamin C. Question 4. Which British soccer star's personal cologne was released by Coty? The correct answer is A, David Beckham. Question 5. Which out of these states is the largest in terms of area? The correct answer is D, California. Question 6. Getting out of a hot bath, wearing nothing but a cigar, Winston Churchill encountered what White House ghost, for whom the bedroom he was in was named? The correct answer is B, Abraham Lincoln. Question 7. What is Ross's son's name on the TV show Friends? The correct answer is D, Ben. Question 8. What country dubbed its battle with the U.S. in the 1840s the War of American Aggression? The correct answer is B, Mexico. Question 9. No wire hangers. Ever. Faye Dunaway screamed herself hoarse, nearly losing her voice while playing what Hollywood legend in the camp classic Mommy Dearest? The correct answer is B, Joan Crawford. And the last question is, after losing the Toledo Wars in the 1830s, what territory got an Upper Peninsula from Wisconsin, and statehood besides? The correct answer is D, Michigan. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.